Hi everyone, this is Sunshine Annie, and I am getting ready to do my planner for, this is the junk journal planner for September. Again, no cover yet, just the regular cover. This was the initial page. This was the first week of September. This was last week. Ended up meeting up with a friend, running into Hobby Lobby on Saturday. After the hurricane had died down, we lost power for a little while. So I didn't get to video yesterday. But this is what it ended up looking like, all colored. If you saw it before, it was all black and white. And I did my lining again. So on this part, and I'll probably just flip it under like this for right now. So I did my lining and my days. I also did pencil marks, and I'm going to fill this in right now with my good old Zig. It's a 5mm ball. I've had it forever, and it's lasted forever, so I'm going to go ahead and just line these in. So that's the black and white on that part. I have to flip it because I don't want to reach over. I ended up, my ruler dragged on there, so I've got a kind of a blotch, but I don't care. So this is Sunday, because I couldn't vlog yesterday with the power outage. So vlog today, so Sunday, we will be doing some grocery shopping. Saturday, we will be prepping. Gender reveal. School is early release. What these ones are looking like with the black drawn in. And then I will color them during this next week. So I am going to color a little bit right now, just because might color a little bit more later. But thanks for watching. I hope you have a great week, and lots of blessings to you. Thank you. Thanks for watching.